How to use Airbnb experiences. To use Airbnb experiences, you need to search for book and participation in active offered by a local host directly through the Airbnb platform. So you want to go to the Airbnb website or mobile app and navigate to experiences section or the tab. So you just want to click on the profile initials. Here you want to go and look for it. If you cannot find the section, here it is at the top. You click on it, then you want to enter your desired city and travel date. You could also specify the number of guests. Use filter to narrow down possessions options by category: food and drink, art and design, outdoors, durations or language as well. Next, you could look through the available experiences. Each listing includes a detailed description, the host profile, photo, guest review, location details, and requirement as well. Before booking carefully, you need to read what you'll do and how to participate section to understand what is needed or included and what you need to bring. You could also specify the attire and any guest requirement like age limit or physical disability as well. So this way you'll be able to use Airbnb experiences. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.